Okay, we're gonna do vacuum test, which is the shop vac, the Hoover Lever Wine, the Dyson DC-24, the Electrolux Torpedo, the Bissell Easy Sweep Compact, and the swivel sweeper. Okay, just going to put our away from the shop vac. Okay, we're gonna start the shop vac. Here we go. Okay, not bad at all. Time for the Hoover Lever Wine. Okay, now I'm not happy about that. Here goes the Dyson. Not bad for the Dyson. Here we go to the Electrolux Torpedo. Oh shit, we need a little more paper. He accidentally sucked it up with the Dyson. Then I'll take over. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, that was just a little bit bad, but just fine. And we can rate after, here we go. Oh, this, like this branding. You're doing a good job. And we've cleaned up. That's not bad. Here comes the swivel sweeper. Oh! Kind of a little bit terrible. Sorry. Woo! Okay, that was just a bad idea. I'll just do the Dyson. Okay, now it's time to rate. Oh, missed a little bit of that. Okay, now it is time to rate. Okay, shop vac did a pretty good job. Hoover Lever Wine did good. Dyson, Torpedo, and I don't know. I know you can't see it, but there's some paper. And there, I wonder if you can see. Bissell Easy Sweep did okay. Swivel Sweeper. Oh, that is worst. Okay. Think you all enjoyed the vacuum test.